Fire cider is used as like a warming tonic during cold and flu season. It's made out of natural ingredients.
Hi, welcome to Lilies and Tomatoes, your go-to place for simple and practical tips and tricks on how to start a garden all the way through how to use what you grow. This is from my live class that I teach on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays on Facebook. If you'd like to attend a live class or ask me a question, check out the link in the description.
Hello. Welcome back to the Lilies and Tomatoes workshop. Today we're going to be making a quick and dirty fire cider. If we have not met yet, my name is Quincey and I want to help you grow some of your own food in a small space on a budget. Let's get started. Okay, so fire cider, first of all, before we get into this, I'm not a doctor. This isn't a cure for anything. This is just an herbal remedy that helps with digestion and your immune system. So just so we're clear, this is not going to cure anybody of anything. Now, fire cider is used as like a warming tonic during cold and flu season. It's made out of natural ingredients that individually have immune boosting properties or properties that help you with your stomach. So you're just basically chopping some of these ingredients up. You put them in a jar with some apple cider vinegar. You let it ferment for 4 to 6 weeks. And then you strain out all of the solids and you mix the liquid with honey. So that's just real quick what we're doing. I will show you what I'm going to be using in mine based on what I have. And I will let you know some of the other ingredients that some people put in it. But I'm using what I have and I didn't want to go to the grocery store. So this is what we're doing today. So I've got an onion. I've got some ginger. I have a lemon. I've got some jalapenos. I've got some horseradish fruit. I've got some cloves. I've got some turmeric powder, because that's what I have, and some black pepper. So I don't have any cayenne pepper. I am adding jalapenos. And just in case you guys don't know, whenever you're using turmeric, you need to have some pepper because it makes it so you can absorb the turmeric-y goodness. All right, so your jar needs to be clean. You don't have to go through any kind of extreme sanitation process with this. Running it through the dishwasher is good enough. And then I'm not going to use this whole onion, but I am going to leave the skins on. Some people leave the skins on. Some people take the skins off. Some people zest the lemon. I've seen all different variations. But this doesn't have to be anything super specific. And you guys know I don't like to measure anything. So we're just going to start chopping and putting some stuff in the jar. And we're going to see what happens in 4 to 6 weeks. All right, so let's do the peppers first. I may regret that. Ooh, they smell spicy. Oops. And the ginger, I am not peeling it. All of this stuff is actually organic, but it does not have to be. Organic is best if you're doing something like this, but it's not a requirement. You can still get a result with something that is not organic. Sorry, I am sitting. I'm trying to be all in the screen so you can see my face and see what I'm doing. And I have not figured out the 2 camera situation yet. All right, and these are ingredients that on their own or like in other variations you can use to make other kinds of home remedies. I know that you can use honey and an onion. Ooh. honey and an onion to make cough syrup. I have not tried that. Normally in the wintertime when I get sick, what I make is tea out of ginger, lemon, garlic, and then I add honey after I strain it. Oh yeah, forgot about the garlic. The garlic should be bruised first. Can I get this off? And I did not have any garlic. I am legit just using some of these small bulbs that I got to plant out for my garlic. But it should be fine. And also for after you strain, you add honey to taste. I've got honey that's left over from fermenting honey and garlic last year. So I will use that honey that's got like 2 cloves left in it. So to make fermented garlic and honey, you literally just peel a bunch of cloves, you bruise them, you put them in a jar, very much like I'm doing right now, and you cover it with honey. And in about 4 to 6 weeks, you get all the moisture comes out of the garlic, and you get a nice little immune boosting treat. If you like garlic, it's delicious. If you don't like garlic, then you might not be excited about that, but if you like garlic, it's delicious. Okay. Now, horseradish. This is really good for opening up your sinuses, and that is a constant problem of mine. Okay, so I've just given everything a rough chop. Skin's on. This is not really a exact type of thing. And then when it ferments, the vinegar is going to extract all of the properties out of each vegetable and fruit in here. I did bleach this table. And then it will be a really nice little tonic. That was perfect. That was perfect. I'm going to add some cloves. Why cloves? Because if you are familiar with essential oils at all, Thieves or Four Thieves is a very potent essential oil combination, and one of the things in it is cloves. I'm going to add some turmeric. I do not measure anything, so we're just gonna shake some in here. And hope for the best. Let's do a little bit more. And turmeric. And a little bit of pepper. Just like that. All right, so what we've got in here is ginger, garlic, lemon, onion, horseradish root, jalapenos, cloves, turmeric, pepper. And to this lovely little mixture, we are going to add some apple cider vinegar. You definitely want the apple cider vinegar with the mother. It does not have to be organic, but when I'm making like medicine-y things out of food, I think organic is best, even though it's not required. Can you guys see that? Let me recenter this. Ooh. And this just happens to be what I had. Okay. It smells vinegary. Going to put the lid on this really tight. Mix it up a little bit. I'm not going to turn it upside down because with these jars, if you don't tighten the lid the exact perfect right amount, it's not watertight, I guess is the word I'm looking for, so I'm not going to turn it. But I am generally going to just make sure all of this stuff is covered. We'll add just a smidge more. And what I will do is put this on the counter in my kitchen, and every day I will loosen the cap a little and then close it again so all the gas can get out, but the bugs can't get in. And then in 4 to 6 weeks, assuming that I do not drop this and break it, we will strain it and add some garlic infused honey and give it a little taste test. Are there any questions about making fire cider? I know this probably looked really simplistic because it is. This doesn't have to be complicated at all. This is just a very simple home remedy. I know that there's a lot of companies that will like sell this on Amazon. There's lots of different ways to make this. There's many combinations of things you can put in it. But just don't go crazy. Use what you have. That's just the best way to do it. If there are no questions, then I will let you guys go for tonight. Bye!